YouTube world. So today we're going to try something a little bit different. I'm waiting on some parts to finish off my custom water loop here. As you can see, only a couple of parts missing, about a week away, and then once they come we'll finish that one off. But in the meantime I thought let's try something different. I'm going to try and build a half decent gaming PC and see what, out of all second-hand parts, some stuff that I found on Gumtree, some old PC parts lying around here, some stuff from Bunnings, and then we'll give that to my son. So I'm sure he'll be pretty excited. Anyway, let's have a look and see what we found. So what do we have here? We've got ourselves a Corsair all-in-one cooler, which I found on Gumtree. So this whole board with the cooler and everything came as one. So just a cheap Asus board. Forget the actual model number on it, which model it is, but only held up to 16 gigs of RAM. But in there currently is two 8 gig sticks. Two 8 gig sticks, two 4 gig sticks. Sorry, yeah, two 4 gig sticks of Corsair RAM, 133 hertz. Or 1,333 hertz, I should say, megahertz. Corsair all-in-one cooler. Underneath the Corsair all-in-one cooler, we have the i7, 2600K, which was a very good CPU back in the day. I actually upgraded from an i5 2500K to the i7 8700K, so it was a very, very capable CPU. So this one should do all right. We'll look to overclock it. To probably see if we can hit 4.5. We'll see how we go. So we're not going to use this water cooler. We're going to take that one off, and then we'll replace it with this water cooler here, the custom water loop that I built out of old parts and an Alibaba pump, some secondhand block. This hard drive that we use to put the OS on in a few games is just a secondhand Kingston SSD. Cost me like 25 bucks. So this board and combo costs about 110. Over here we have the GPU. So we have the R9290 G1 Gaming 8 GB edition. Very capable card. Power hungry, yes, but we should be fine as we're going to power it with the Corsair 650 VS here, which come out of the Corsair white crystal case that I had lying around. So we're going to put it all into this box and we'll see how we go. So guys, let's see what happens and we'll get to it.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car, hit the button, drive real far, but that record only die. Oh, I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new life. Fight in the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close and could light this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high. You can't wait to see me now, 'cause lately you've been feeling down. You lay awake alone at night. Oh, like your life inside a car. Forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again. Oh, my love, it's you and I. Close, close and could light this fire. So reach for the stars,
dark and smoky room with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. In the quiet, all my thoughts run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah.
So I've come to the conclusion, just a rotten piece of fruit. So I'll end up dying slowly, rotting away. See, I just want to be able to climb without a fall, to get out of this maze and run. Please strike me thunder, let me get closer to the light. Please strike me thunder, so I can be free. So I've come to the conclusion, I'm just one man amongst thousands. In this world I'll allow them, sure they'll do fine without me. The chemicals in my head don't work as yours, 'cause every piece of road is a little bit of happiness. Every kind of load causes a little
without being put in my place. I'ma just dive right into the wild side, and I'ma ride the wave until I die. Until I die. My skin is cold, as is my heart. I'm falling apart with a smile. My bridges are burning